Hi, welcome to the chapter Statistics. The topic is mean of grouped data. The mean or average of observations, as we know, is the sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. The method of finding the mean are direct method, assumed mean method, and step deviation method. Let us discuss the assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. So mean equals to x bar equals a plus sigma fi into di by sigma fi. Here a stands for assumed mean and sigma is the sum of this product, frequency into deviation, and the sum of the frequencies. Let us by heart this one first. X bar equals a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. So write and learn it. X bar equals a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Let us have one example. Here the question is, the weights in kilogram of 50 wrestlers are recorded in the following table. The number of wrestlers for the weight is 100 to 110. And 110 to 120 kilogram, there are 14 wrestlers. And 120 to 130 kilograms, 21 wrestlers. 130 to 140 kilograms, 8 wrestlers. And 140 to 150 kilogram, 3 wrestlers. Let us find the mean. First step on, draw the table. Weight, number of wrestlers, frequency, class mark, deviation, and frequency into deviation. So weights are given in the question: 100 to 110 kilogram, 110 to 120, 120 to 130, 130 to 140, 140 to 150. Number of wrestlers also given: 4, 14, 21, 8, 3. So total number of wrestlers is 50. We should total it. First of all, we have to calculate the class mark xi. How to find the class mark? Class mark equals lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Repeat, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So we should add 100 plus 110 divided by 2. So the result is 105. And 110 plus 120 divided by 2. The result is 115. 120 plus 130 divided by 2. The result is 125. And 130 plus 140 divided by 2. The result is 135. 140 plus 150 divided by 2. The result is 145. Now we have to find the deviation. For finding the deviation, we need assumed mean. So we should take a number in the class marks as the assumed mean. So we can take almost the middle. So it is 125. So let us take assumed mean as a 125. So let us subtract a from each class mark. 105 minus 125. So we get minus 20. 115 minus 125. The result is minus 10. 125 minus 125. So result is a 0. Now 135 minus 125. The result is 10. And 145 minus 125. The result is plus 20. Now the last column, we should multiply frequency and the deviations. So here 4 into minus 20. So we get a minus 80. Now next 14 into minus 10. So the result is minus 140. 21 into 0 frequency into deviation is 0. 8 into 10 is 80. 3 into 20 is 60. Now we have to find the sum of these. Minus 80 minus 140 plus 80 plus 60. So the result is minus 80. Now we have to use the formula. Mean equals to A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. We know already A we taken as 125. So remember, and this value also we have to calculate, then add. So we should write x bar equals to A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. 125 plus minus 80 by 50, 0, 0 will get cancelled. Minus 8 by 5. So we get 1.6. So 125 minus 1.6 will get, the result is 123.4. So the mean is 123.4.